Hello guys, most welcome to OJPRD YouTube channel once again, and today in this video I am going to describe you related about how you are going to display your ads on your official website or maybe your personal website, or maybe it's be a other kind of platform like a CMS content management system website and another kinds of applications app and different kinds of pages and platforms. So we are going to start with first of all what should you have to do here. One thing that if your website actually the thing is there, one thing you have to just keep in your mind. The first thing that you have to do one thing, that your website, if it's in your personal domain, means you have purchased from the any party, third party hosting, GoDaddy, something like that. So if you are using this kinds of platform, so there you can just directly use the domain name and you can just go in your AdSense account. Here what should you have to do, add site, you have to click it here and you have to mention here your website name, and then you have to click save here. Then finally you will get a new page. In that page you will see that how you are going to explore the ad there. So if you are using a banner type, if you are using something like just like a rectangle type, yeah, it's be a, like a pamphlet, any kinds of ads, pop-up ads. So there are a lot of kinds of categories in the advertisement actually provided by the Google AdSense. So the most important thing is that you should have to do what, if you have using your private website, so finally you will have your domain actually, and that domain you have to just paste it here in ad website. After that that AdSense will approve your website in 20 to 48 hours, or maybe it will take 10 to 6 days. And after that, if your website functionality and everything term and condition is fulfilled by the Google AdSense, then they will going to just monetize the ads in your website. For the example, if you have a blogger page or maybe another kind of page, in that platform recently the Google is not showing the advertisement because of some their terms and conditions. So finally what should you have to do, you have to be your unique website, and the website may contain some proper and useful content for the customer. It's not going to just make a just community guidelines against the community guidelines, any kind of thoughts, images. So don't use such like of things in your website. So just follow the community guidelines provided by the Google AdSense, how your website look like, what's the parameters of your website, what the content, how which kind of content you should have to kept in your website actually. So this thing you have to just keep in your mind. So I am going to start that how you are going to start with it. So you can just see here is a home, and just below that ads is there. So simply you have to go here in ads, and you will just see here that ads unit is there, buy ads unit, or directly get the code here. So this is a platform that you are directly going to get the code here to paste in your website in the between the head tag, because every website they have heading tags. So in between the heading tags you have to copy this script and paste in your website of the code. Then finally the AdSense will just check the website and then it will be approved after 6 to 10 days. If you have just pasted the 2 to 3 websites, so you can just simply go in the sites and you will just look at here how many websites you're running, so that will display just below here. So this thing is there. Now let I just show you one thing, that how you are going to make money from the website and how the earning will come. For the example, if you have connected your website from the AdSense account, so the AdSense will display the ads on your website. Now what should you have to do here, you have to come below here, you have to check the verification. If your verification check is okay, then you are finally authorized to get the payment here. You can see here this is a payment gateway, but it's a AdSense payment gateway. There are two types of gateway provided by the Google AdSense. First for AdSense, which the website is making money from displaying the ads on the website. Another thing is YouTube, by the your YouTube video is displaying the ads on your video. So both the platform they have just separated make in the AdSense account, that you can just cannot be get confused that from the AdSense website one how much your earning is coming, and from YouTube how much earning is coming. So this is a very good thing. What should you have to do here after that, if you are eligible to just get the earning reaching at least $100, so you will get the here this option of how to get paid. Enable here, choose payment method, and finally that you are going to set your account here. So when you are just going to put your bank account and finally submit it, so after approval you will get the amount in your account finally if you reach the this threshold value of $100. And this $100 value, how you will be reached, when your user will visit your website. For the example that I am showing you, that website is there, chadfrd.com. So how it's work actually, that I am showing you. So actually it is not identifying. Let's I write once again. Yeah, now it's identified. This is the website. You can see here below I am just showing you this is the advertisement. If any customer visit your website and finally it's going to click this advertisement which is displaying by the AdSense. So but actually it is not displaying by the AdSense, it is displaying by the actually Amazon actually. But I am just for the example just showing you that advertisement will be displayed by the AdSense in your website when it's going to approved by the AdSense your website. Then finally if any customer will visit here and it will just click here and look at if you buy the product, so you will get the commission from that. So that commission is going to be add in your earning area. So what should the AdSense actually do? Google AdSense do? He is just purchasing the advertisement from the publishers, and what he can do actually that he take its 45% revenue by itself for their company use, and 55% of revenue share to you actually for the displaying the content in your websites. Advertisement of the another third party contents. So this thing this policies follow actually. And if you just properly set up your websites and finally connected your website through this AdSense account, so you are just finally, if the visitor will visit your website, so finally you are going to get the commission here in the form of your earning. So I think so, hope you everything clear by this video, and you have feel that this video is useful. So don't forget to just comment in my inbox and just ask related question, related query about this my content and videos. If any query, any related doubt is there, so you can just text me in the comment and we will just revert you back your perfect answer regarding your questions. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.